goes by so fast. Baby, it ain't been long enough to forget how it began.
Hey guys, Justin Johnson from MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today I bring you one of our fresh trades. This is a 2025 Cruisers 50 Cantius. Climb aboard and let's go take a look. On the swim platform of the 50 Cantius, you'll tell right away we have a ton of space. For a 50-foot boat, you would think this is a much larger boat. Our swim platform will submerge into the water, creating a staircase to get up to the cockpit of the boat. And we also feature a grill with a ton of storage. Back in one of the greatest social zones of the boat, we have U-shaped seating, a beautiful teak table, 2 bar stools, and of course this window will go down for access to the bar and a docking station. In the salon of our 50 Cruisers, as you enter the boat, we have a freezer, fridge, TV, a massive amount of storage, stovetop, microwave, dishwasher. We have everything on this boat. Tons of seating for your guests. As we work our way over to the cockpit, again, we're gonna touch on this a lot. Tons of space, tons of seating. We have a captain's chair, very comfy for 2 people. Our U-shaped seating again around the dining table as well. And then our well-integrated dash, we're gonna have twin Garmin screens, our radio adjustments, our bow thruster, easy access for all your switching for your captain. It doesn't get much better than this. In the master of the 50 Cantius, we have almost a king-size bed, a washer and dryer, TV, plenty of storage. The forward of the boat, we do have another very large bed with plenty of storage for your guests. And then working starboard of that, we have twin-size bunks, and there's also 2 bathrooms on this boat. Thanks again for joining us on this fresh trade-in that we just received. It is a 2025 Cruisers 50 Cantius located at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is Justin Johnson. My phone number is 813-424-6084. We look forward to seeing you on the water.